I invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's 100% free. You're one click away from improving your health. If your health is important to you, click subscribe now.
When you fill up on healthy food, you will eat less and find reaching your weight loss goals comes easier. In this video, we will give you the top 20 foods that help you to feel more full. 1. Avocado toast. 2. Snap peas with hummus. 3. Raspberries. 4. Bananas. 5. Celery with cashew butter and raisins. 6. Dates stuffed with cashew butter. 7. Apples. 8. Berry spinach smoothie. 9. Cottage cheese and pineapple. 10. Apricots topped with blue cheese, pistachios. 11. Dark chocolate with almond butter. 12. Edamame. 13. Dry roasted almonds. 14. Kind bars. 15. Beef jerky. 16. Dried chickpeas. 17. I heart quinoa clusters. 18. Beanito bean chips with hummus. 19. Chia seed pudding with dark chocolate. 20. Rhythm Superfoods broccoli bites. 21. Almond butter and peaches on Ezekiel bread. Which of these tasty snacks is your favorite? Share in the comments below.
Thank you for watching. I have a small favor to ask you. Like this video with a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and finally, please subscribe.